so this is today on the 17th of July 2024. We have, is it Pohjoinen Liipolankatu?
Yeah.
Yeah, 12 staircase C. And the buildings 10, 12 and 14 we have staircases C. But one example because they're completely impossible.
Yeah. I finished staircase C already in 2016, but I accidentally filmed it again, but I did that video.
Yeah, but I filmed it now.
Yeah.
With these photos of 20 bathrooms. And it has some built in late 1971 also. The number is H25617. The capacity is 4.20 grams. Runs in 2002 by Kone with Delta pictures. So buildings 10 and 12 are the same here, but building 14 is different. So we have the VS from the beginning of 1972 and modernized like the regular traction.
Yeah.
But here it's with EcoDisc. Buildings 10 and 12 have EcoDisc machines here, but bottom driven. EcoDisc without the doors, that's quite unusual.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's